Hello everyone, I am Matt Hoots with Rated Green, and in today's episode we are going to talk to you about outdoor power equipment. If you're like me, over the years you've collected a plethora of equipment to maintain your yard. I've got a chainsaw here which is gas powered, and you can see a nice smelly gas can. I've also got a hedge trimmer here along with a power cord, plus many other things that are all over the place that we need to basically maintain our house on more of the consumer level. Now, I want to talk to you about items that are available for both consumers and professionals where you can eliminate gasoline, which is very smelly, and also the fumes that come off of any gas powered equipment are going to cause you to smell, and it's also bad for the environment. Plus, you know what? The electric equipment works okay. The problem is, though, if you don't have a cord long enough, you might not be able to get to that particular part of your yard that you want to do. So the better alternative, and we ran into a Makita rep over at Home Depot recently, and they're going to talk to us about one of their new systems where all of their outdoor equipment are powered by batteries. Now, these are the same batteries, if you're already a Makita fan, that they have on their power tools for the drills and whatnot. So let's talk to them and see what they have to say about their outdoor power equipment.
So the main thing we want to focus on is the battery platform first. So the 18-volt platform, extending to a 36-volt platform with two 18-volt batteries, works on every single OP item here, including the lawnmowers, and it works on every other tool we have out there. So that's almost 300 tools, plus or minus a couple, because we have a couple come out every month, that work on the same battery platform. You're not going to ever need to change the battery if you're going to use a trimmer or if you're going to use a lawnmower. We have split shaft attachments, so if you need something more than a specified trimmer, you can have a split shaft attachment. And I believe we have about 14 different attachments now, everything from a composter to we have an attachment for a brush as well. We have trimmers, and you can actually add an attachment. So if you got some tough to reach places like a pole saw, say, that extends to be, this adds about 3.5 more feet of usable length. If you want to increase runtime, the best thing here is this battery pack. Instead of having one giant battery, again, to keep on the same platform we just add 4 batteries. You plug it into your tool, whether it's 18 volt, 36 volt, and it will draw from whatever it needs to increase efficiency basically on all the tools that you have. We have our new lawnmowers, and these have been a real hit, especially around people who are working on canvases, things along that nature, because they make almost no noise compared to a regular lawnmower. So it starts the first time every time. You don't need to mix any oil, any of that. You don't have to crank anything. You click the button, go. As a matter of fact, we actually have a quiet mode that makes it even quieter on these. So self-propelled, I believe it's 22 inches. Don't quote me on that one. What it does is it runs off of 2. Once it's drained, you flip it to the other set of batteries, and this would be your safety key right here. And it does mulch as well. So we have a couple variants of our 36 volt chainsaws. We also have an 18 volt chainsaw as well. This one specifically, guys with buckets like it, guys are doing the power lines, trim off the top of the wood. All you gotta do is press the button, press the safety.
So these has the same amount of torque and power as a regular chainsaw?
It's comparable to a 32cc chainsaw.
Got it.
As far as the power goes, I believe it has 20% faster RPM just because it's an electric motor.
I was personally excited to run into them at the Home Depot recently, and I'm definitely going to consider getting their battery-powered chainsaw for our house. We've had a few limbs fall, and it's much better alternative to this. And again, I've not had any problems with this. The problem is I'm storing the gas outside of my house, and also there's a little bit of off-gassing from the chainsaw into my house, and it's, you know, I just don't want those smells coming into my garage or into the built environment for my family. So we're going to consider upgrading all of our equipment because my kids want to start helping with yard work. And if I have the battery packs, I feel much safer with them using that versus 2-stroke or gas-powered equipment, especially for mowing the lawn. Thanks again to Makita for giving us this information about their products. If you like their products, give them a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, I've got more off into the suggested, and also I've created some playlists based on this type of equipment. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks again for watching this, and see you next time.